Hey guys, I'm Colt. Today we're going to do a super cool science experiment. We're going to make water look like it's frozen in time by using the Laminar Flow. For today's experiment, we just need some tape, a balloon, and a sharp knife. Firstly, we need to fill the balloons up with water from the tap. This part can get messy, so be careful. Next, we need to cut the tape into 4 strips and stick to the balloon as shown here. Now with adult supervision, pierce the balloon. The water at the spout looks like it's frozen in time, whereas the other end is flowing. This is called laminar flow. You can even try multiple streams. Thanks to King of Random for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. Check out some more cool videos and stay in playing.